That's right, we're giving away patriotic beer kits for the holiday.
Red, white, and brew!
Welcome back to Free Beer Friday. It's a short video this week because we have a short week with all the holidays going on.
Yeah, July 4th is coming this week, so I'm getting ready to go on vacation with the family. I think you are as well, Chris?
I am, and you'll notice we're not even drinking a beer because we have lots of plans for that coming up.
Yeah, but we still wanted to give away something this month, so we're gonna do that. But let's talk about last month's giveaway, the big Grainfather winner.
Last month, we featured the Grainfather G40. We have a great video if you missed it, so be sure to check that out.
All right, so our winner's in for a treat. Speaking of which, it is Trey A from California.
Woo! Congrats, Trey. Enjoy that Grainfather brew system. Let us know what you're gonna brew on it.
And of course, our comment winners from last month. First winner here.
Second winner here.
And no After Dark this month, but we're gonna get back to your questions in August.
So what do you say, Vito? What do we give away this month?
It's time for another epic giveaway.
And this one is Red, White, and Brew.
That's right. In honor of 4th of July, we're giving you 2 batches of patriotic beer.
Yeah, we've got your summertime brews taken care of for you. So we're gonna give you 2 batches of beer, starting with Mike Tasty McDole's Amber Ale, and then we've also got the American Pale, which is just delicious beer, great for crushing in the summertime.
You get to choose between extract or all grain, and we're giving you enough to make 2 batches of beer, including the bottle caps and the yeast.
And in honor of the 4th, 4 lucky winners are gonna get this amazing combo deal.
So to win, go to morebeer.com/freebeerfriday and enter that monthly giveaway.
As always, thanks for watching. Make sure you comment below. We're gonna give away comment winners. Let us know what you've got planned for the 4th, what you got on tap, and happy birthday, America.